Hello everybody. Alright, so I've totally, my door just slammed, totally forgot how fast the 4th of July comes up. Been losing track of time, just hanging out with the kids and swimming, and the fair is coming up. So I'm doing this quick 4th of July mani. I'm probably going to change it because I tend to do that a lot. So today I'm using Uber Chic Beauty's nail art barrier. I'm going to put that on so it dries. I also have nail oil on, I think. And I think I put it on this nail by accident, but it's okay. Alright, so I'm using Salon Perfect today. I'm using glitter gloss top coat. It's nice and thick if you like thick top coats. Salon Perfect Salsa Dance. This is super old. Look at this bottle. Neon Pop Into Deep. It's a really pretty blue. And Pillow Talk. This is a white, but it's like a creamy white. It's like this. There we go. It's like an off white, but milky. There we go. Maybe that's the word. Anyways, and then I'm using a Maniology stamper, clear jelly stamper pad. So you don't want to mix blue and red because it makes purple, so you need to be careful how much you squish. So like here it kind of mixed some purple, so hopefully just squish like 1 or 2 times and move it. I'm also using Cuticula cloud cover to mattify it. Alright, so I'm going to start with some clear. This is just to help squish it around and hopefully keep the colors away. I'm only putting a little bit on because I don't want to mix the colors, and definitely trying to keep the blue and the purple away from each other. It's okay if it mixes with the white, it just makes it obviously a little bit light. Let's see, so we can do purple, but red there, red there, red up here. You can try it right there. Okay, so there's that. And so you just want to go carefully. So that one mixed together, but it didn't really do purple yet, so that's good. And we'll squish some purple there. Oh my gosh, I keep saying purple. What is my deal? Okay. And then we can put more red there. And I want some blue here, but I also don't want to make it purple. So barely there. And then turn it. Put a little there. Okay. So there it is right there. Let's see if the cuticle oil didn't mess this up. I was just used to putting it on. Oh, yeah, okay, not too bad. Alright, so I'm going to clean up and be right back. Alright, and you definitely want to let this dry before putting a top coat over it, because it is a little on the thicker side, not fully smushing it all together, getting that extra polish off. And like I said, I use this one, which is pretty thick because it's a super nice glossy top coat for glitters, because glitters can be bumpy. But yeah. Alright, so I'm going to let this dry and come back with the matte top coat. So I think it's dried enough. You just float over. And this one is nice too because it doesn't make the red polishes pink either, because some top coats do that and that's not fun because obviously you don't want your white to be pink. I don't know if I said that right. Some top coats make the red bleed into the white and then it turns pink. This one does not do that and it's awesome. This Cuticula cloud cover. This one, it's one of my favorite top coats. So yeah, it's gonna dry to be matte like that. And you can just do it like this, be happy, or you can stamp some white stars over it. That will be awesome with the white. I'm gonna be using this plate soon, like probably later today or tomorrow, since it's already the 3rd, I think. Jeez. Okay, here we go. I'm super excited about this cat. It's so cute. And some fireworks. So yes, so super cute plate. Uber Chic Beauty. All right. It's drying. So, alright, have a good day. Let me know what nails you're doing for the 4th of July. See you later.